Hello friends, today we are going to unbox and review about 5G 4G SIM router Cofe 707 model. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is how this looks like. Here is the instruction how to connect power line, insert SIM card like this. They have given. Name is Cofe 4G. It is 5G SIM also compatible, Make in India product. And the price is showing 5100, but this is not that much costly. It is coming around 1800 only. Link I have given in my description. Let's open this box. Here is the item received in this box. This is the router, that one. Power line insert option is there. Reset button also is there. I have already inserted my SIM card, and LAN connection also is there. This is the model number and Wi-Fi password. All these things we will find here. This is looks like here like this. This is the power card we receive, but they are not providing any adapter. And the LAN cable also they have given as per. And they have given one warranty card and then user manual with this box. This is plug and play device. You need to insert the SIM card, plug with the power. The Wi-Fi will start any place. It supports Airtel, Vodafone, any network SIM card, whichever you have good network in your premises, you can use that SIM card. If you are like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.